Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a collective haul, so it's kind of just like new in bits I've got from like lots of different shops over the last month or so. So yeah, I'll be trying all the pieces on. I am showing you what they look like, and of course I'll link everything down below as well if you did want to go check anything out. But yeah, I'm gonna get on with the video now and start showing you what I've picked up. Okay, let's start with Topshop because it's one of my like favourite shops ever. I just got some kind of like new in denim pieces. So the first thing I got is a pair of white denim shorts. So these are the Topshop mum shorts. I got them in a UK size 10. But I've been wanting a pair of white shorts for like ages now. I think they look really summery. And these ones have kind of like brown contrast stitching. I'm not sure if you can tell. And then they roll up kind of at the bottom, but yeah, these just fit really well, just with like little tops would look really cute. So yeah, picked these up, and I'm not sure how much they are because I've already worn them out. I think maybe around £30. I think so. I'll link it down below anyway, so if you did want to go check it out then you can. And they do this like style in other colours as well. They do it in like a blue, maybe a black as well, so I'll try and link them down below as well. Okay, and then the other thing I got from Topshop is just a pair of jeans. You guys know I love my Topshop jeans. I pretty much live in like the Topshop mum jeans. They're my absolute faves, but I wanted to pick up a pair of like skinny jeans. So these are the Jamie ones. I've had them before in like the black and like a darker blue, but I really wanted like a light blue wash that will look really nice kind of for summer. So yeah, picked these up. I get them in a waist 28, I get them in a waist 28, length 32, and they are £42. But these ones just have like little rips in the knee, which I thought was super cute. But yeah, you'll see what they look like when I tried them on. I feel like they're so versatile, like you can wear them in the day with just trainers and a t-shirt, or dress them up of like an evening with like a nice top and a pair of heels. It's literally like 30 degrees while I'm filming it. I am so hot, so I've got my little like fan from Amazon. It's amazing. It has like 3 settings, and honestly it keeps you so cool. Like, I think it was like £10. I am obsessed, and you can like literally just charge it up with a USB, and you can also like stand it up like that, and then it kind of just folds away and you can put it in your bag. So if you're on like public transport or something, it is amazing. But this video is not about this fan, so let's move on from that. I might link it down below anyway in case you were interested in getting it. But yeah. And then next up, I actually have some bits from the jewellery brand Ania Haie. I absolutely love this jewellery brand. I've had like quite a few pieces from there over the last kind of like 6 months or so, and the quality of them is amazing, and just the style of the jewellery is like right up my street. It's kind of like that dainty minimal kind of style, but it's really easy to kind of layer things. So I've got a few pieces on to show you guys today. This bit is very kindly sponsored by them. But yes, I'm sorry if you can hear like shouting outside. There's like builders and stuff doing God knows what on people's houses, and you know how builders are, they just like shout and scream and do whatever. I'm not sure. So the earrings I got on are called the Dream Open Hoop earrings. They're £79, so they're the most expensive piece of like jewellery out of all the stuff I'm wearing. But they are 14 karat gold plated, and then they also come in silver as well if like silver's more your thing. But I'm personally a gold girl, so yeah, I absolutely love these. And then moving on to the necklace, this is £55. Again, it comes in 14 karat gold plated, but also comes in silver as well. And it has like lots of little details to it. Again, I feel like you'll see it more in the close-up, and I think it would look amazing like layered up with other necklaces. I actually have this one from Ania Haie as well, Ania Haie, I never know how to say it, but I think this would look amazing kind of layered up with it as well, so I'll try and link this one down below. I've had this one for quite a while now, and as you can see it's not like tarnished or gone any kind of like weird colour or anything. And then last up we have the rings. So these rings are both £29 each. This one's adjustable, which I absolutely love because I have quite small fingers, so I find some rings tend to be a little bit big. It means you can kind of like wear it on any finger. You just like adjust the size. You can also wear it as like a midi ring, which I think is super cute. I'll leave the links down below, so if you want to know more about like what it's made of or anything, then obviously click on the link and it will tell you kind of the product details on the website. And then I also have this ring here, which again is super cute. Yeah, so yeah, that is everything I got from Ania Haie. I think I have a discount code as well, so I'll put it up on the screen. And it's also, look at the packaging. This is like the cutest like marble bag, and then everything kind of comes in like little pink boxes and in like these little kind of grey velvet pouches. So it's such a nice, like if you've got someone's birthday coming up and you want to get them a really nice present, definitely check this out because just the packaging alone is like so cute. Next up I have this little dress from Pretty Little Thing. I'm obsessed. It is so nice, like it's so flattering on. Pretty sure it's like £15 and it is the cutest little summer dress ever. Like I can't wait to kind of wear this more. I've worn it out already and I had so many people like asking me where it was from. So yeah, so cute. I think did I say it was from Pretty Little Thing? I think I did. But I got it in size 8. It just kind of ties up at the front, and yeah, it's not too like short, but it's not too long. It's kind of like the perfect length. So if you are on the lookout for like a summer dress, check this one out. £15. Pretty sure it comes in other colours as well. Okay, moving on to a few bits I picked up from Zara. We all love Zara. I love Zara, you love Zara. So I did pick some things up. First thing I got is this little like, it's like this kind of like teal green kind of satin little like bralette crop top thing. So cute for the summer, like I'm obsessed. It was £15.99. Got it in a size small. I've accidentally got makeup on it though when I was trying it on, which is a bit annoying, so I'm gonna have to put it in the wash before I wear it. But with just like, I don't know, like white denim shorts, blue denim shorts, any kind of shorts, skirt, trousers, it would look really cute on holiday as well. And then the next thing I got from Zara is kind of like a similar colour. It's like that, this is more of like a mint green I would say, but it's these little like shorts here. I actually have these in like the trouser version in like the nude colour, and I love the fit of them. So when I saw they kind of brought them out in like shorts and in like this kind of mint green, I was definitely picking them up. So I got this in a size small and they were, I don't know what the price is actually, it doesn't say. I think probably about £29.99, £25.99, something like that. They're not too short, which again I love because I am quite tall. So yeah. Okay, next up from Zara is this little kind of like satin and lace cami top. So cute. Again, I'm not sure what the price is. I don't think it was too much. I think maybe like £15.99. I got it in a size small, but I think these are so easy just to chuck on with like denim shorts and you look kind of like really chic, but it's also really like cool when it's kind of super hot out and you don't want to be like sweating everywhere. Then I feel like these are kind of the perfect thing to chuck on like of an evening or something. Again, you could probably also wear them for pyjamas as well, but I think I'm going to wear it in the day, and the colour of it is like, I don't know, like a kind of grey, pinky, metallic colour. I'm rubbish at explaining colours, you can see. I then just picked up this kind of like white shirt from Zara, but it's like really soft and kind of oversized and casual. Again, chuck it on with like denim shorts during the day with some trainers or like sliders. I think would look like really kind of cool and chic. I got them in a size extra small because it does come up like pretty oversized, and it was £25.99. And then last thing I picked up from Zara is just this like nude body. They have these in so many colours, I think like white, black, nude, green I think. But they're just really good to chuck on with everything, like really good basics. I got them in, or got it, not them, got it in a size small and it was £12.99. Okay, so the next shop I got a few things from is House of CB. The lighting's just changed, sorry about that. So yeah, I was looking online at the website and they have so much like really cute summer stuff in at the moment. So the first thing I picked up is this little like crop top here. I absolutely love the print of this. It's in kind of like a light mint green and it has kind of these like peachy orange and blue flowers all over it, and then kind of like hooks in the middle. So cute. I thought just with like, I don't even know, denim skirt, denim shorts. I feel like I wear everything with denim shorts, but it would look so cute, or maybe with like a wide leg kind of pair of white trousers. Price wise, this was £59. House of CB is a little bit on like the pricey side, but the quality of their stuff and the fit of it is always amazing. And I got this in a size small, and I also got it in the dress version. So this is what the dress looks like. So it's the same print. To be honest, I wasn't planning on keeping this. I ordered it like a month ago, and by the time I got like around to trying it on and everything, it'd been like 2 weeks. And the like return policy is only 14 days, but I didn't realise, I thought it was 30 days. So after I tried it on, I was like, it's nice, but am I going to actually wear it that much? I was like, actually I think I might return it and just keep the top. And then when I looked at like returning it and kind of packaging it all up, I realised I didn't have a choice. I have to keep it because it's been past like the 14 days. Which I don't mind. Like, it is a stunning dress and I'm sure I will wear it on holiday or something. And then I might like sell it on like eBay or Depop. But it was £119, so like I said, not the cheapest. And I got it again in a size small. And then from H&M, I just picked up this little like cute polka dot dress. Kind of like wraps in the front and you tie it up. Super cute. It's like really kind of loose and cool, so great when it's like super hot and humid out. I got it in a size 8 and I think it's about £19.99, something like that, but I'll link it down below. And then I got this little like opoly kind of like crop top bralette thing. Super cute. It comes in quite a few colours, I think, but I thought I'd pick up the white just to wear with like denim jeans. Really easy to kind of like dress up of an evening with like a pair of heels. But I got this in a size 8. I think it might have been about £25.99, pretty sure. Again, I'll link it down below. It never says on like the tag, so yeah, a bit annoying. But okay, so that is everything I picked up in today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing it all. Let me know what other videos you want to see, because obviously I know I do a lot of hauls because I know you guys love them, but I don't just want to do hauls, you know? Like, they can get a bit boring and a bit like samey, and as well it's expensive. Like, I can't keep on buying clothes, you know? I don't have much space. It's bad for the environment. So yeah, let me know what other videos you want to see from me and I will definitely do them. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!